Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Pixel 9 Pro step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Google Pixel 9 Pro. Carefully remove the device from its packaging. Next, locate the power button on the right side of the phone. Press and hold the power button until the Google logo appears on the screen. Once powered on, select your preferred language from the list provided. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by choosing your network and entering the password. If you have a SIM card, insert it into the SIM card tray at this point. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Google account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting the option provided. You may also be prompted to restore data from another device or backup. Follow the instructions to transfer data if you choose this option. Next, set up your security preferences by selecting from Fingerprint, PIN, or Face Unlock. Customize your Google Assistant settings if prompted. Choose the apps you want to install during the setup process. Review the privacy settings and adjust according to your preferences. Once all settings are configured, the device will finalize the setup process. After setup is complete, you'll see the home screen of your Google Pixel 9 Pro. Take a moment to explore the pre-installed apps and features. You are now ready to start using your Google Pixel 9 Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.